Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our English lesson. Today we are going to learn English items. What is items means? That first one. An items is an expression. An items is an expression who the meaning of cannot be understood just by translate each other separate. What it means is the first one is what is break a leg. Break a leg. What I mean the meaning of this? Break a leg means good luck. Good luck. Very good. The second one is keep an eye on. Keep an eye on. What does it mean? This watch or take care of. Okay. The third one is burn the midnight oil. Burn the midnight oil. That means study or work late into night. Nice. Very good. On cloud nine. On cloud nine. On cloud nine. That is extremely happy. Very good student. እስቲችን አንድ በእንግሊዝኛ ምንድን ነው ፈሊጥ አባባሎች ማለት ፈሊጥ ማለት ቃላትን በቀጥታ ሳይተረጎም አጠቃላይ የሚሰጥ ትርጉም ያለው ማለት ነው። ቬሪ ጉድ ዚስ the word sounds break a leg. break a leg ማለት ነው good luck መልካም እድል ነው። the word in English is this break a leg means good luck. very good. keep an eye on means ምንድን ነው የሚለው ተጠንቀቅ ማለት ጠብቅ ተጠንቀቅ ማለት ነው። burn the midnight oil ማለት ደግሞ ምንድን ነው ማለት ነው እስከ ሌሊቱ እስኪደርስ ድረስ ማጥናት ማጠናቀቅ ነው። ኦኬ on cloud nine is extremely happy በጣም ደስተኛ መሆን ነው። very good. what is another is an expression with the meaning of cannot be understood በቀላሉ እነዚህ እንግዲህ ፈሊጥ አባባሎች በቀጥታ አይተረጎምና እነዚህ ነገሮች you have to practice እንድታደርጉ ነው። so what important from this is English language that very interesting. this ፈሊጥ አባባል በጣም ኢንተረስቲንግ ናቸው። that's the next time we will discuss about this the items what are the means that different words. so thank you my video. I'm WD Smart English ወንድዬ like share coupling አድርጉ። bye bye